Hi my dear spirited minds, hope you all are doing great. Dear friends, all may dream but not equally. Those who dream by night in the dusty recesses of their minds wake up in the day to find out it was just a vanity. But the dreamers of the day are dangerous men, for they may act their dreams with open eyes to make it possible. This great quote about dreamers was said by T. Lawrence. Dear friends, we all dream and we all wish to realize our dreams, fulfill our dreams. But how many of us are ready to shoulder any responsibility, overcome any crisis, and will not give up until we realize our dreams? Very few. Dear friends, what will happen if we realize our dreams? We'll be very successful, and not only successful, there is a possibility that we will leave history, we'll create history, and we'll leave our legacy. Dear friends, today I'd like to share with you all the success story of Ganga Bishan Agarwal. When I'm saying the success story of Ganga Bishan Agarwal, many of you may not connect. But if I say the success story of Haldiram, immediately you all will connect. Yes, my dear friends. Ganga Bishan Agarwal, who is popularly known as Haldiram, was born in 1908 into the Bhujia business family. Though it is not rich family, very very poor family, just they used to survive on selling bhujia in Bhujia Bazaar, Bikaner. Being a joint family, all the family members need to extend their helping hand in running the family business. As part of this, Haldiram began to contribute his might in the running family business. He used to actually take part in making bhujia, making the process of bhujia, and not only that, he used to visit regularly bhujia shop, his grandfather's bhujia shop, and he used to assist his grandfather in selling bhujia. And he became very active in interested in bhujia selling in such a way that always he used to try in innovative methods, and he had a knack of attracting the customers, and with that knack he attracted customers. But there's a commonality in the Bhujia Bazaar. Almost all the bhujia used to be same. In those days, bhujia used to be very thick bhujia and not so crispy. And Ganga Bishan Agarwal, that is Haldiram, did many experiments in making his exclusively his bhujia in such a way that he wanted his bhujia to be very exclusive, unlike other bhujiyas of the market. And he did many experiments in bhujia making and finally came up with very thin and crispy bhujia, which is immediate hit in the market. So almost all the customers began to throng to the Haldiram shop and demand for that. It was very demanding, and because of that, family prospects began to increase. Everything went on well, friends. And remember, when he did this experiment, his age was just 12 years. And at that time, he was married too. Yes, my dear friends, he was married at the early age of 12 years. Friends, everything was going on smoothly, but as it is common, the differences of opinion will emerge in joint families. Ganga Bishan Agarwal, that is Haldiram's wife, want to live separately from joint family. Haldiram tried his level best to convince his wife, so let us all will live together, but she didn't give up. No other go, he has to depart from family, and because he is willingly going away from the joint family, he didn't got even a penny. Let me tell you, friends, when he left his family in 1944, he was just 36 years old, and by that time he had 3 sons who were all married and 1 grandson. The responsibility of feeding all these people the responsibility of feeding his 3 grandsons along with daughter-in-laws and grandson fell on the shoulders of Haldiram. No home, no work, no business. Imagine. And whatever he earned until that, he has to give up. He's on the street. So nothing in his pocket to run the business. And something he is wandering on the streets of Bikaner to find out some work. But his heart is not into work for someone else. He's always yearning to do business, as if God sent. And they say that those who help themselves will God help. And when he was wandering on the streets of Bikaner in search of a job, then he heard that someone is calling him. And when he turned back, he saw his friend Allah Beli. And luckily, as fortunate smiled on him, Allah Beli was his childhood friend. Years ago, he took 200 rupees from Haldiram. And when he came to know about Haldiram's situation, present condition, miserable condition at that time, all he could give was just 100 rupees. He didn't return all, complete 200 rupees too. Entire 200 rupees. But he could adjust just 100 rupees. But for the ever hardworking Haldiram, that was sufficient. He went back home and he got home for rent. And with his wife, with the help of his wife, he began doing business from the next day itself. He began to sell moong dal in the Bikaner markets, business markets. Moong dal. Very soon, he came to know. He got command into that. Within a month, news spread that he is selling moong dal, and demand was in such a way that running family is not difficult. But his heart was into selling bhujia. Few months he worked hard, and he earned enough to run a shop. He wanted to take a shop. For that purpose, he found in Chintamani temple complex in Bikaner, a small shop was opened, and he got that shop, and then he began his bhujia business. And soon the news of Haldiram back into bhujia selling spread in Bikaner, and people began to throng to his shop. And from that time, there is no looking back, friends. And this didn't come easily. To run this family successfully and to do the business, run this business successfully, he put all his heart. He used to get up early in the morning by 2 o'clock, and he used to go to bed by 10 o'clock. And that in such a only afternoon, he used to take a small break, when his sons will come and assist him. So that was his dedication towards the work. And from then onwards, there is no looking back, friends. The business went on into leaps and bounds, and he became very popular. And let me tell you, popular in selling bhujia business, selling bhujia. And let me tell you, in the same year he left, same year he is on the streets. The same year he began selling on the streets moong dal, and the same year he built his own business. That was the dedication and hard work, friends. And it was sufficient for running smoothly the family, and there is no problem at all. And in early 1955, one of his friends' marriage was held in Kolkata, and Haldiram attended that marriage. As part of his, because he's very thick friend, he wanted to extend his helping hand. There, for the people who visited that marriage, attended that marriage, he provided bhujia, his flavor bhujia. Everybody got attracted with that, and thus the seeds of Haldiram's bhujia business spread into Kolkata. Very soon he started in Kolkata. From there he began selling in Delhi, Nagpur, Bikaner, and right now until his death in 1980, every day Haldiram used to look after the business in such a way that he developed the business principles in such a way that until now Haldiram's group didn't lost its domination. Yes, friends, there is a legal battle between the successors regarding the brand name and the territorial marketing thing, but yet the group of Haldiram is a leading business company now. Imagine had he would have given up when he is facing the problem. Today we will not be having the great Haldiram business empire now. And Haldiram's business group has defeated the mighty multinational companies like Domino's, Kellogg's, McDonald's, etc. And Kellogg is trying to tie up with Haldiram's. Friends, why I am saying this story with you all in this crisis period, because the whole world is affected by corona crisis, that many of you will have some ideas. One idea that please try to give it a shot. That idea may help you to overcome the present crisis. Financially it may help you and raising your family, and in that way, who knows, your idea and later on may become a big business empire. Your tiny idea, please try it out, friends. If at all you have any good idea regarding any business or something like that, please give it a shot. Okay? Wishing you all the best. This is Durga Eragunta signing off.